Let's see. Is it looking good? I think it's looking good. All right. We're going to get started here. Things are going to happen. What are we going to do? What are we going to We're going to make AI. That's what we're going to do. We're going to review. All right. So here's what we're going to do. The plan for today is we got actually a short time period. What I'm going to do before we get started and get the topic started is I do have a hard stop for a meeting that's coming up. So I'm going to get the timer up here. We'll get the timer going. Let me see here. Let's get the timer going. I have to click some buttons. Hey, Ashford. Hey, how's it going? It's good to see you. We're going to be doing some machine learning with Rust. We're going to review the code that we got done yesterday, and then we're going to run it. Actually, you kind of already see it here on the screen. I got a server up and running that can, because it's in Rust, and the compiler is very CPU intensive. It likes to eat the CPU. So instead of having it running locally on my laptop, which is already struggling to just do the stream in the first place, we'll have a server that's dedicated for us to compile. Not Owen. Hey, how's it going? Day 2. Yep, this is day 2. We're doing day 2 of our Rust machine learning framework that we had from yesterday. And before I do that, I do have a hard stop at the top of the hour here in Seattle. So I have to get that set up. 1 second. I need to click the interact button. I need to go okay. And then I need to say edit timer 1 second. How much time do we have? We have, I would say 43 minutes. Let's do 43 minutes. All right. So I'm going to get that set up here really quick. Yep, everything looking good. Cool. That's good to hear. So we'll get 42 going there. Click OK. And I think that's it. Is there a big screen? There's a big screen. There we go. Perfect. Okay. That's right there. Okay, here. Right here. Perfect. That's how much time we have. We have only a little bit of time. Okay. Hey, how's it going? Serendeep. Get your name right. Serendeep. Hey, how's it going? We're doing day 2 here, like Not Owen was describing. We are going to go through our Rust code that was written yesterday by Google Jules. Google Jules is probably one of the first coding agents that's fully online. They made it really easy. It's just a web browser, and then you just give it access to a GitHub repository, and it will do all the code writing for you. It's just everything right there in the browser. It worked really well. It gave us what we wanted, but I think what we need to do is read through it. We're going to read through it, and we're going to see what it did and what we like about it and what's weird. I did take a peek, I took a little peek to say, what was it like? So I did take a little bit of peek here. So actually, let's just get started with it. We're going to do Rust machine learning, and I'm going to update my, nope. Oh, great. I know. 1 second. I pressed a key on GNU screen and it didn't like it. And there's no password on this system. So I have to start over. I think you can do tilde dot. 1 second. I have to hide the screen. Give me a second. Little technical difficulties. Happens sometimes, tilde enter. There we go. Reconnect. And because it's GNU screen, I can automatically, we can resume the screen. We can resume the screen. So let's see here. Is it going? Okay, it's going. Perfect. All right, here we go. Screen's back. Perfect. Here we go. All right. So screen-ls. Check this out. See, it's detached. So we just say screen-r. And the cool part is it automatically resumes for us. Isn't that cool? I love it. If you've never used screen before. Oh, Serendeep, you say you got something here for us. 1 second. Let me get my what do you call it? Chat, the right chat window up here. But it says, it is a tough name. I know. It's like serendipity. It is. Okay, so it's like serendipity. Okay. Serendeep. With just the extended eyes. Serendeep. Okay, perfect. Got it. That makes it a lot easier. Thank you. Okay, here we go. So we've got our screen up and running. I'm just taking a look at all the stats. It looks like, let's see, we might be having some video latency on my side, but we will get through it. Dropped frames, like a ton. We're like maxing out the drop frames right now. We'll get through it. Screen over resurrect plus continuum. Not Owen. Good question. What? Wait. What do you mean, not Owen? Screen over resurrect continuum. I'm not sure, but I do see that we are having a little bit of network stream bitrate challenges. But it looks like it's kind of trying. It's trying. It's skipping a lot of frames. It's kind of unfortunate. Yep, video is dropping frames. Yeah, we're getting a little bit slow here. What would be the cause? I don't know. Maybe I've got something. Maybe I got something wrong. I am on a VPN, which is required in order to do some certain things. But it was working fine the other day. We'll see. Maybe it'll get better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move forward and we'll see how it goes. All right, here we go. So here is our Rust machine learning framework. If you're familiar with Rust, actually, let's look at the cargo toml first. Cargo toml. Normal now. Okay, cool. It's normal now. Yeah, it looks like it got back a little bit better. I see. It's still dropping a little bit, but not much. Not as much as it was doing before. Maybe a little temporary. You know what I miss? So I used to live in Seattle. I used to live in Seattle. Then I moved to San Francisco to go to Silicon Valley. And I had Google Fiber. It was amazing. It was bidirectional full duplex gigabit connection. It was amazing. I was like anything, download anything, upload anything. It was instantaneous. And now I moved to Seattle and I don't have Google Fiber anymore. And so the upload better than before. Guy with glasses. Cool. That's great to hear. Excellent. Thank you. Tmux stuff from what you remember. Yeah, Tmux is also really great. I like GNU Screen because it comes pre-installed in all the systems. It works great. It does what it needs to do. I've memorized all the keys. I've got my systems set up. Really happy about it. So I like Screen to do that. But Tmux is also really good. If you like Tmux is excellent. So we're gonna jump in here, guys. We have 36 minutes left. Okay. Hey, another day with the same Rust project. Yes, Jambuster. Okay, so now we're actually going to walk through the code. That's what we're going to do. We're actually going to walk through the source code and read to see what came out of it. But we're going to get started here with the toml. Hey, sup, everyone. Hey, how's it going? Shrujin, hey. We got Shrujin here. All right. So here is our Rust for framework. We've got some dependencies. Some really simple ones, actually, just arrays, just simple array stuff, which is really cool. Guy with glasses that just got here. What are we going to do? We are going to walk through a Rust machine, a deep learning framework. So we're going to be doing Rust deep learning, and we're going to read some of the code, and then we're going to see what it looks like. It's minimal. It's a minimal amount of code, which helps us understand better kind of what machine learning looks like and how AI systems are built. Hey, Maynard. It's good to see you. Hey. Serendip. Resurrect is for resumption and continuum is for continuous saving. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. You're always learning new things here. It's so cool. Shrujin, stream is a little bit lagging. Yeah, it is. I'm having some networky things happening right now. We'll have to work through it. Maybe what I could do, but I don't want to end stream and then come back. But meanwhile, I'm kind of looking at it and I do see, you know what? Let me check. No, actually, let me check something. I'm going to pause. I won't pause the stream, but I'm going to hide the screen. Just 1 second. We'll hide the screen. We'll get things. Yes, something's happening here. Let's see here. Let's see. Activity monitor. 1 second. Yeah, my machine is activity. 1 second. My machine. See, here's the deal. Okay, so we might have some rough streams just for a bit, but I did buy a new system. It's on the way. It'll be upgraded, and then we won't have to worry about it as much. It'll be okay. All right. Oh, I get it. All right. We only had so much compute on our system, and I have a Docker container running, and it just pushed us over the edge. It just made it over the edge. But it seems like we're good now. Seems like we're okay. Where can I get the horizontal view of the stream? Oh, guy with glasses. Okay, good question. The horizontal view will be released after the stream, so it won't be live horizontal. When we go live, it's vertical. When we go live, horizontal, it'll be a recorded video. It'll happen after the fact. There's no horizontal stream, Serendip. Yeah, you got it. Yep. Now it's better, right? Now it's good. Yeah, we're looking good now. Everything's green. It all looks green. I love it. Okay. 6. It's just like perfect, 100%. It's all right. Good. All right. Just a little bit of buffering there. Sorry about that. Just a little bit of buffering. We're good to go. All right. Let's get back to it here. Let's see here. I want great bro. What a channel I have found. Yeah, Global Recruiter. Are you actually a recruiter? Do you recruit people for jobs? Is that what you do? Global Recruiter. It's great now. Awesome. That's awesome to hear. Global Recruiter. Anything about cyber cloud security? Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate it. Definitely. I love it. I love it when you guys do that. That's it promotes the stream and makes it better. Makes it so we can grow bigger. And I love it. Anything about cyber clouds? So that's a good topic. We'll probably go through some security things, some fun things that we can do to make life more secure. There's a lot of fun topics. A KPI or PKI, right? There is end-to-end cryptography. We could do end-to-end cryptography, right? So things that, the governments are complaining about, like in Europe, like, you can't have end-to-end cryptography. There's no reason for you to have this. You must give us a backdoor, Apple, right? The European Union is all about exposing all that cryptography and secrecy. I'll show you guys how to do end-to-end cryptography. If you guys haven't done it before, there's some details to it, but it's not super challenging. You can do it through public key infrastructure, PKI, public key infrastructure. See. Okay, so now it's okay. 1 second. Getting caught up with. Do you check out 5.1, Stephen? What is 5.1? Mandeep, what is 5.1? Tell me about Mandeep. Video is lacking a bit. Are we? Oh, it's back down again. Yeah, it's. I see. So we might. Well, yeah. It's. I see the indicator. It's doing its thing. Sorry about the video. We'll see if we can make it a little bit better. Oh, I can bring my screen back. I don't know why I didn't do that. Here we go. Let's bring the screen back. There we go. Screen is back. Off to races. Maybe let's see. Is it better without the timer? Maybe the timer is just a little too much for it. I don't know. Maybe we can't have the timer on there. We'll find out. Back to dropping frames. Yeah, I see that. Maybe we could go lower some resolution from your side, sir. That might resolve the lag. It could. Yeah. Hey, Global Recruiter, can you recruit me? Yeah, guy with glasses. So I think what it is, what's pushing it over the edge is a couple of things. We've got the VPN on, so that way we can have a server, but I thought that was going to be better. Like, maybe we don't need to do that. LOL, you forgot. Remember, asked you to be my co-founder. Yeah, that's right. Mandeep, I forgot about that. You've got an app that you're building. What was it? What was your app? It was Markdown files, right? Into presentations. Was that it? Wait, someone was asking about that. Back up now? Cool. Excellent. I think it might go, it might waffle. We might have some waffling on the stream. But let's see here. I think, let me bring the timer back. All right. So 30 minutes. Actually, we don't need we'll see here. All right. Well, let's just keep going. I think all we have to do is just keep going. We might run into rough edges here and there, but we'll have to deal. Okay. So it's using ND array, which is kind of nice, as basically the only dependency, which is really cool. Usually, of course, when you write apps, you might pull in a ton of kind of like NumPy in Python, but for Rust. It provides some of the functions that you would get with arrays in Python, but it doesn't have some of the syntactic sugar. It won't give you like the at symbol. So like something that you would do in Python, you'd have the at symbol between two arrays to do a dot product, right? So you could do that in Python, and it will give you the new array. Or you know what? It is so slow to type on this SSH terminal right now. It is so slow. Here, what we might do, you guys, maybe I will. Oh, it's so slow. It was so fast before. Okay. Oh wow, we went to 0. We dropped completely to 0 on the thing. All right. Here's. What should we do here? Maybe maybe what we could do is, let me see. Is it still fast? Well, it's a little bit fast. It's a little bit fast. It's doing good. Screen's a little bit fast. I think we'll just keep going. This will just be a rough stream, I think, is what we're going to have to deal with. I'll just be a rough stream for a little bit. Okay, so this is what I like in Python. It's faster now, Python. You could do this with NumPy, which I really like, but you can't do that in Rust. Hey, Shrujan. Hey, how's it going? Let's see here. So, but I do like that. Something you can do with Rust is overload this operator. So you can do that with Rust. So it looks like this in Rust like that. Here we go. It could do that, but I don't think we have that implemented in this particular framework. I'm pretty sure. All right, let's get rid of that. Go back to 0. All right, let's see where else we can go here. CD source. GM Steven, love Gupta. Hey, how's it going? Too much lag, unable to watch properly. Okay. Here, I am seeing quite a bit of lag. So maybe here's what we can do. We can try this. It might require ending stream, but we'll give it a shot here. Give me a second. It might just be VPN stuff. So let me see if we can fix this here. 1 second. Let's see if we can get this better. Let's see. We'll do